timing it, you open it, you see the grain is clear and sticky. See? See that? It show you that your rice ready. It could be 40 minutes, it will be fine as long as you have enough water so you won't make it burn. You see that? It's very easy to make this one. Mix it. It's silly, but I just like to show up. You just smell. This is the smell of the new crop of rice and the milk. You want to smell this at home? You smell anything? You smell it? Yes, nothing. Oh, wow. It smells nice. You want to have this at home one time only when you're in Thailand. You see? You see it? Yeah. Little by little, don't put too much. If you don't make any color, that's it done, yeah? Yeah, lower heat, yeah, keep it. See that? Blue, gentle. More blue. More blue. We make from normal sticky rice to be fancy.